We're ready now to start Hasbar 4:4. We're learning Masechet Kedushin, Perek Sheni, Ha'ish Mekadesh. We're on Mem Chet Amid Bet. Just finished learning the Gemara in Hasbar 4:3 that we never really understand what Rabbi Shimon means when he uses the words Im Hita L'Shevach Mekudeshet, that if the mistake was made to her benefit, she's Mekudesh. So if it's about monetary value, that she's getting more money, that doesn't necessarily seem the case, because we've just learned that if a person may want vinegar, or they may want wine, or they may want honey, or they may want, it doesn't make a difference. We don't know. Everybody has particular taste. So value can be very subjective. So we really still don't really understand the Mishnah clearly. And now Rav Shimi is going to offer us a possible answer. Amar Rav Shimi Bar Ashe. Rav Shimi Bar Ashe said the following: Ashkechate la Abaye. I found Abaye. Abaye is an Amora. The Yosef, and he was sitting the Kemasaber le Libare. He was explaining this Mishnah Libare to his son. The Mishnah that we learned earlier in Hasbar 4:1. And this is what Rab Shimi is reporting that Abaye taught his son. What did he hear? Hacha b'ma askinan. What is the case dealing with in our Mishnah? Kigon, for example, Sha'amar l'shlucho haleveni dinar shel kesef. The prospective groom, the Baal, the man, Amar says to his agent, he assigns an agent, and he says to him, Halveni dinar shel kesef, I want you to lend me a silver coin, and then lech, go with that coin, v'kadesh li isha plonis. I want you to be mekadesh for me a certain woman. That's what his instructions were, and that's the case that Abaye says our Mishnah is talking about. Now what happened? Vaholech, the agent went, v'hilva shel zahav. But instead of using a silver coin, he lent the Baal, the prospective groom, a gold coin. So now it's kind of changed, because he didn't follow the exact instructions. The groom said to the agent, please lend me a silver coin, take it, and I want you to go to a certain lady, and I want you to be mekadesh her with me with the gold coin, with the silver coin. So the agent went, but instead of a silver coin, he used a gold coin. Good. So, masavar. One holds, meaning the Tana, the opinion of the Tana Kama in our Mishnah, when he says that the person is not Mekudesh. You know why in such a case she's not Mekadesh? Kapeda. Because he holds of the concept called Kapeda. Kapeda means you care about the details. You want everything to be exactly executed the way it was laid out. Don't deviate from the details. So here, the man told the agent, use a silver coin, and he used a gold coin. Well, under the concept of kapeda, you have to listen to exactly every letter of the instructions. And therefore, she's not Mekudesh. Now, what about Rabbi Shimon, who said, if it, for her benefit, she's Mekudesh? Masavar. And the other teacher, meaning Rabbi Shimon in the Mishnah, learns Mara Makom Hulo. There's a concept called Mara Makom. We see what is done in this place, which means it's like convenient guidelines. You give people a general idea. You can be Mekudesh, you can be Mekadesh, a woman with money. If it's silver, good. If it's gold, fine. It's just general guidelines. And therefore, when the person sends an agent and the agent deviates, instead of using a silver coin, use a gold coin, Rabbi Shimon says, fine, because that's what people, it's just a general guideline. It's called Mara Makom. That's the convenient guidelines. You can show them how it gets done, but it doesn't have to be exactly the way I said it. So again, the way we understand this Mishnah through the eyes of Abaye, told over to us by the name of Rab Shimi bar Ashi, is that if the person doesn't follow the exact guidelines, kapeda it's called, the kedushin doesn't happen. According to Rabbi Shimon, no. Mara makom. It's a general guideline. As long as it's within the general guidelines of how things get done, it can be Mekadesh. Okay, please fill out the Hasbar, and I hope I was clear in explaining this piece of the Gemara.